Um, yeah, no, that doesn't make any sense because it just says open the quantitative descriptive statistics Excel spreadsheet, download it, open the spreadsheet, copy and paste your data into the blue column found. So maybe if I open this spreadsheet.
Because there's multiple sheets afterwards.
Yeah, I don't know. Open. Open. Okay. Oh gosh, there's so much going on my screen.
Yeah, same. So much.
I need like 6 different computers. Okay.
Seriously. Okay. Do you want to introduce ourselves so that we can get that out of the way? Do we still have to do that?
I am Matt.
Yeah.
That's my name, Maddie.
And I'm Mary McElpring. Okay.
There you go.
We're done.
Okay. So from the like book, online textbook, there's one called Quantitative Descriptive Statistics that you can open. And basically, I don't know how this is going to work, but okay, there we go. I think you can post your values in this, and it will calculate the mean, median, and mode, and then it would also plot it. So I'm going to try it.
Okay.
And I'm going to see if it works.
No. So.
Yeah, no guarantees because this has 412 rows of information.
That's a lot. Okay.
Oh gosh. This does not seem right.
Oh my gosh.
Well, because I feel like I wish I could screen share. Can I screen share?
I don't know.
I don't remember how to do it.
I never learned.
Oh wait, yes I can. Here we go, screen share. My entire screen. Share. So you can see, oh gosh. Can you see that?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I see two of myself. Okay, yeah.
Okay, so let's see if I can get out of here. Oh gosh. Stop. God. Okay, how do I skip. Stop. Present to everyone. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was a fail. So maybe we'll just do a chat and I can like, how do I get out of this? It won't let me out of the chat. How do I, what? It won't even let me out of this window.
That's weird. It's really weird. What website is what you're talking about?
I would tell you if I can get back to it.
It's okay.
How did I get trapped in Google Chrome?
I honestly
okay.
I don't know.
How? Okay, there we go. So you go onto into the prep work and then you open up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you open the homework. Huh. The assignment?
Yeah, you open the.
And then find it. You're talking about the mystery investment opportunities one?
No. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
Okay.
So basically, you're going to go to this website. And on this website,
okay. Is it
it shows you
statistics.byu.math.com.
Yeah, and it's under your prep work.
Oh.
So basically, you're going to go down under center of a distribution, and it's going to show you the mean, median, and mode.
Step.
And then say Excel instructions. And that's where I found the quantitative descriptive statistics. And you should be able to copy the wrong site, wrong patient, and I believe you should be able to put that in there. But one thing I think you have to pay attention to is just, let's see. Because if you look at mine, I'll show you.
Mm-hmm.
See where all of those like hashtags are?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't think it copied across correctly.
Okay. Okay, I still don't know. I feel so dumb. So I'm in the online textbook. How did you get there again?
Okay, so go to the online textbook and then go down to number 4, center of a distribution. I honestly don't know how I found it because I like scrolled down really quickly and I was like, oh wait, there it is.
Okay, and then oh, I see it now. Okay.
And then it says like quantitative descriptive statistics.
Yeah. And so then would it be unit 1 file, units 2 and 4, or unit 1?
I think it's unit 1. Yeah. And then it says histogram and descriptive stats on the bottom.
Oh.
But it's plotting. I don't know why it's plotting it as that. Oh, I think it's because it's only 1 column and you need it to be 2. So I think you need to select 2 columns. I think that maybe that's it.
Okay.
Let's try this. Nope, still not it. Still definitely not it.
Okay, so I'm trying to open this spreadsheet and it won't open on my computer.
Do you have a Mac?
Yeah.
So I know I had to download Excel.
Yeah, I have Excel.
Okay. And I've had problems like downloading different things when it came to Excel.
Yeah.
Let's see. How do I get you big?
Okay.
Oh, I can just drag you. Okay, but why are you all black? I'm not gonna lie, this one's a lot harder than the first one.
Yeah, by far. I thought this wasn't gonna be that hard, especially because like I'm familiar with standard deviation and everything.
Yeah, but then they give you like a lot of different things, and you're like, wait a second.
Yeah.
I know that there is a formula you can use within this. Like you shouldn't have to copy the entire thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah, like Excel should have.
I know that they do. I just don't know what it is, and I can't. There's nothing listed in our textbook that says like what it is. Oh wait, I did it! I did it! Okay. Can you see it? Okay, I made the column bigger. That's why.
Oh. Okay.
So you can actually use this. So the mean says it's 80,041. Is that even an option on this quiz?
When you type it in.
Oh. Yeah, it just says find the mean of the amount had to pay, round your answer to the nearest whole dollar. So it says that the mean is this number right here. So 8,041.24.
Oh. Okay. Yeah.
I feel like we can always get these wrong though because of just the rounding part.
Yeah, I think rounding is not hard. I don't know if we should put commas in.
So it's 80. No, it's
80,041.
80,041. Yeah, it's hard to read it on a smaller.
Okay.
Here we go. The median had to pay in wrong. Yeah, see, sometimes they word it. Oh, wait a sec. This is wrong site, wrong patient. I just realized had to pay in wrong site lawsuits. So I did wrong site and wrong patient. We just need wrong site.
Oh.
That's why that number's so big.
Okay.
So I have to delete one of the columns.
Okay.
Gosh, this is so confusing. Okay. Nala, get off of me. Okay, wrong patient is just the right-hand column.
Uh-huh.
So if I delete the left-hand column, or if I just like zero it out, that should work.
So you got rid of the wrong patient and you just did the wrong site one.
Yeah,
okay.
That should work. Oh, but now it's saying like no. Now it's like no. That's
you know what
right.
you could do. You could do Command Z back to the beginning, where you just.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh,
I'm just gonna download the other one. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are doing wrong patient. On the plus side, now we're figuring it out.
Yeah. Thank goodness.
Yeah, you learn by doing, right?
Yeah, I sure hope so.
Right? Okay, there we go. Okay, so this one says that the... Wait a second, did I just do the wrong patient? Hold on.
Okay.
Yeah, I did the wrong patient. At least I can tell you these are both for wrong site, wrong site. Yeah, all they want is wrong site. Dang it. Why even include wrong patient if all you want is wrong site?
I don't even know. They want like... Okay, anyways, we'll focus on what we're doing now.
Okay. This shouldn't take very long. All I have to do is now at the beginning. Now that we know.
Yeah.
Okay, go forward one. Control V. Okay, there we go. So the mean is going to be 46,172.
46,172. Okay.
Okay, and then the median amount hospitals had to pay in wrong site lawsuits is 18,882. The standard deviation of wrong site is 105. What does this mean? It's good. Get out of there. 105,986, and I think it needs to be 987.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
5.
987. Okay, use the following information to answer the next 5 questions. Hepatic angiosarcoma. I don't want to close Excel. Leave me alone.
Is rare and usually fatal type of liver cancer. The study was conducted. Okay, what is the mean?
I can do this because all I need to do is erase the information I have right here and use the thing. This is so helpful. I'm so glad that they gave us this.
Okay, yeah, I am still trying to figure that out. So did you click on, because it says help Excel tools. So is it I wonder.
So I clicked on quantitative descriptive statistics.
Yeah,
I click on that link.
Okay, hold on. I'm going to go back. Okay, I just clicked on that link.
And you should be able to open it.
It's because it says 3 Excel spreadsheets have been created to help you carry out your statistical procedures. It is recommended that you download each of these files.
I mean, yeah, there's 3 like different files, but mine, I don't think mine said that when I clicked on it. I double clicked though. Can you right click on it?
Oh, wait. Is it the...
You right click and it goes to help Excel tools and go to...
Yeah. And then it goes to the Excel spreadsheets and then it should have them all in the file. Right? And then we're doing quantitative, right? Right.
Stats at like the little thing called the thingies at the very bottom, and then it's the quantitative descriptive.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, I finally found it. Good, cool. I'm having trouble hearing you.
The computer.
Oh my gosh.
It's a struggle today. It's a struggling Thursday.
It is a struggling Thursday.
Okay. So I put in all of those values. So the 5, the 19, the 1, and the 3. And it says
Yeah.
the mean survival time in months for these 4 patients is 7.
7.
Just says 7.
Okay. And then the median.
Median is going to be 4.
Okay.
Here to compute variance by hand. What?
The following table could be used. Use the table to answer the next 3 questions. Okay, so
wait, I think this tells me variance. It does.
Okay.
Deviations from the mean.
Oh, it's telling you what to do, except I don't know what the second X is for. You know, because the X is the value, which would be 5. Subtracted by... Oh. Maybe it's... 5? Because on the columns, there's like observed data, deviations from mean, and stuff like that. And then right underneath it has equation yeah.
So it's saying 5 minus...
But I don't know what that value is.
I don't know what that is either. Squared. Well, because it tells you on the theme.
Oh, don't you subtract the mean from that?
The mean from... Does it say in the textbook? Let's see.
Hold on.
I seriously wish this was like an actual book. It's nice that it's like free and everything like that, but I like actual books.
Me too, because then you can look at glossaries and...
Yeah, and it's hard when you're already like online with someone and then you're looking at Excel and then
you already have like a million pages open.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so it says standard deviation.
So variance.
Oh,
so variance. If you were to compute variance behind the following table could be used. And then it says give the number that would be entered into the space labeled A in the table above. So it's not, we don't have to look for all of them. We just have to look for specific ones. So we're looking.
I mean, they've given us the standard, the variance, which is 66.6 repeating, but I don't know if that's necessarily has anything to do with what's... Yeah, you just need to find A and B.
Yeah. Okay. Wait, the number.
Explain how to find deviation from the mean.
Yeah, I took notes and I have no idea.
Calculating the standard deviation by hand. No. Oh, once you like draw the numbers, what's the mean? How spread out are the relatively uncomplicated cases? Oh, it's value minus mean. You were right.
Yeah, I wasn't sure about that one.
No, it's the value minus the mean.
Oh, and then you would just do the mean of those values. Did we already do those though? Yeah, so it's the mean that we already calculated.
The mean. So the mean is 7. So 19 minus the mean is 12.
Yeah.
Ah, awesome. Okay.
Perfect.
So then B, for squared deviations from the mean, it's
19. No, that would be 1 minus 7 squared.
So negative 6 squared is 36. Yeah?
I'm going to do it really quick.
Yeah, I was like, well, a negative times a negative is positive, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's been a while since I've done like basic math.
Oh, yeah, because it is, yeah. So it's negative, it's positive. Wait. When bad things happen to bad people, it's good. Yeah. Yeah, 30, so it's 36.
Yeah. And then it says, what is the standard deviation of the survival times? I don't know.
No, you do because you just calculated it on your spreadsheet. And since these are the same values, it should be located on that same Excel page. You know what I'm saying? Because like before we calculated the standard deviation.
Sure. Is
Do you
there
remember?
is there a
It like
value for survival time?
um because the survival time is
Survival time in months is 7. So
yeah.
what is the standard deviation? Oh, it's 8.16. So the nearest 10th, 8.16, yeah. Would that be right?
Wait,
I'm really bad at rounding, so
okay. I'm gonna look like decimal places because I'm also really bad at rounding.
yeah.
I don't want to get
Oh
this
wait, so the
wrong.
nearest 10th, it'd be 8.12, I think. Or 8.2, yeah, 8.2, I think. You gotta stop typing on the computer.
Oh no. For example, around okay, no, I think it would be what's it called? I think it would be 8.2.
Yeah, 8.2.
Yeah, okay.
Because it's above 5.
Okay.
Give a summary for the wrong patient. Oh gosh, we gotta go back.
Oh no.
I already calculated it. No,
Ugh.
the wrong patient lawsuit data. First number in the 5-number summary. Okay, so I will pull that back up.
Okay.
I'm gonna feel so mad if this is all wrong.
Oh my gosh, me too. I'm just gonna email the teacher and be like, hey, we tried. We did our best.
Thanks for effort. We have a video to show it.
Yeah. Did you already do the homework quiz?
No.
Okay, me either.
Why are you whining? Okay, so I have it calculated, but how do we tell the first 5 numbers?
Okay, so with the box with the box plot, you're basically we need the maximum, and then we need the
middle.
yeah, and then we need median and we need the minimum one, but we also need the upper quartile and the lower quartile. He had another way of saying it, but I just wrote it down like that. It should be like Q1 and Q3. And Q1 is the lower quartile.
Is 3,900.
Q1?
Yeah, it's 3,900. That's a really big number, but that's what it is.
Uh-huh. And then what's Q3? Do you know?
Yeah, Q3 is 50,145.5. So
okay. So it wouldn't be the lower quartile because it would be the minimum. Because when you have a box plot, it's the minimum and then it's the line and then you start the box. And when you start the box, that's your quartile, your median, and your other quartile.
So the inner quartile, the IQR, is 46,245.5.
Okay. Well, does it say like the minimum value on there anywhere?
It says minimum 0.
Because that's probably what it is. Because it's asking you what the first number in the 5-number summary is. And so the first number starting from the bottom would be 0.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Because I think it's like the lowest number that's plotted.
Mm-hmm.
That would be 0, yeah, because there's a 0.
Yeah. And then the next one would be the 3,900.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
What is the 4th number in the 5-number summary?
So that's the median.
That is 18,000. Let's make sure. I think it's 18,882, but it's small. 18,882.
Okay. Cool. Okay. Redbox is increasingly popular at movies. Individuals can go there and choose from all students. Okay, answer the next 3 questions. What is the third quartile of the Redbox decision types? So, like, are we just supposed to guess that value? Because it's a
very exact. I would say 200. It says give an estimated number, so I'm sure it's like 100 through like 200 or something like that.
Yeah, I think it's like But it looks, oh my gosh, perfectionist. It looks slightly less. Like I would put,
195.
let's do that.
That seems right to me. It's the green box, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's the, yeah.
Bottom up.
Mm-hmm.
What is the longest observed time of the Redbox customers in this study? 0 to 800 seconds? No, because it doesn't go all the way up. 700 seconds, I guess.
Yeah, it would be, yeah, 710.
Yeah.
This is so annoying. Why doesn't it have that?
Yeah.
Ah. Based
Oh.
on the plot, box plot, what is the value of the mean? Okay.
Here, I can like input some values and see if I can get a mean.
Okay, so we have 710 roughly, 195. We have 100.
195, 100,
50 and 0.
50 and 0.
Yeah.
All right, we've got a mean of 195.
Okay.
And well, the closest one is 187.
Let's do that one.
I also feel like it can't be determined on a box plot because, oh my gosh, the numbers aren't exactly accurate because it's all estimating.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put this cannot be determined.
And I'm gonna put 187. Or should I put, yeah. Okay.
Let's see who gets it right. Okay, I think that's everything unless you want to change any answers.
No, so do you want to answer the last question differently or do you want to answer it the same? I'm just
trying it differently and then we'll see who gets it right because I'm curious.
Okay. Go to submit quiz.
I'm nervous.
If this isn't right, I'm gonna be mad.
I don't know. Woo! Oh, we got the wrong site, wrong patient one.
Oh my gosh.
We got like the second one wrong, but I don't know what we could have done right. I mean, like I think we got a 13 out of 18, and I got the last one right.
Okay, and I got that one wrong.
Okay.
So I'll probably
number observed. I guess it would be 800 then, wouldn't it?
Wait, which one? Which one?
Oh, I guess yeah, that was very nondescript. Okay, I guess we'll go down the line. So number 3, where it says find the mean amount the hospitals had to pay in wrong site lawsuit.
Yeah.
Maybe we rounded it incorrectly. See, that's what I mean. I get really mad because I'm like, how are you supposed to know?
Yeah. Okay.
Should we try again?
Yeah, let's do this again.
5 off. Do you want to write down any of the answers? Should we write down? It's because some of the numbers are right. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't really want to calculate everything again.
I don't want to calculate everything again at all.
Yeah, good plan. Let's write some things down.
7 is 4.
I think they jumble them though, don't they? Isn't that what they did last time?
Yeah.
Yeah, they jumble them.
But I feel like it's not going to be that hard because ones we got right were not that hard.
No. And I think it's easy to like distinguish.
Yeah. Which is what's really interesting is that the second number in the 5 number summary is 39. It's weird. Feedback. Okay. Yeah, let's retake it.
Okay.
Lesson 3. Come on.
You know how we were gonna retake the last quiz?
Yeah.
We didn't. My little thing never went away.
Mine didn't either. Like I check it and it's
nuts. It won't go away, but I'm not gonna retake it.
Oh, neither am I. Okay, start quiz. Okay, let's do this again. So
okay.
True. Okay. So we got the first. So the questions are the same.
Are this the same?
Yeah, I regret not writing them all down, but I remember them still. So
Well, I know 6 is 7.
And 7 is 4.
Yeah. We knew those ones.
And then the 8 is 12 because it's 19 minus 7.
And then the next one's 36.
And then wasn't the standard deviation 8.2?
Oh gosh, I don't remember. Let's see. If it's like, if I press back enough times on my Excel on this one, maybe I'll have it. No.
Hopefully. Oh.
No.
Okay. All right. So with the wrong numbers.
The wrong site, wrong patient.
Yeah.
Okay, let me do that again. And it's wrong site.
Wrong patient. Yeah.
I understand. Go away. Okay. Wrong site, wrong patient. Not wrong patient. We're doing wrong site. Oh gosh, not on the computer, not while I'm trying to copy things. Okay. I could do any of this in one hand. Okay. Do this and go up.
Okay.
I'm just working on copying it. It's going really slow right now.
It's okay.
Okay. It won't let me do it. See if it'll let me like open it again. I'm not trying to make you calculate a formula, Excel. There we go. Like Excel can't calculate this formula. And I was like, I'm not trying to make you calculate it. So okay. Oh gosh. Okay. Let's see. That took forever. Why is it now only posting 4? Oh gosh.
No.
There we go. Okay, all right, there we go. That was gonna drive me nuts. Okay.
Okay.
So it wants the mean. The mean says.
So are you doing the mean of all the numbers now instead?
No, it's just the mean of the
wrong site.
Yeah, that's it. And so it says 80,041.24 to the nearest whole dollar, which would be 80,041.
And we did that one.
Yeah.
Wait, you said it was 80,041 point what? Like 2 or something? 0.4.
0.24.
24. Yeah. I don't understand.
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense because I'm doing the wrong site column. I highlighted it, I put it in, and for everything else, that's the value, that we got.
Yeah. Those are all the ones that have been wrong too, which is kind of interesting.
Yeah, and like I'm using the same formula of everything that we've done, and we got those answers right, so that's really weird. So I don't know if I'm rounding it wrong, but that doesn't make sense. Like we're rounding it in the right way.
Yeah. You copied all of them, right? Because there's like tons.
I copied all 400.
Oh my gosh.
Yep. That's why it takes like a minute or two, but yeah, no, I copied all the way down.
Okay. So there are a total of 411.
Yeah, I copied all 411.
Okay, just double checking.
Yeah.
Okay.
It says 412. I have 400.
Yeah. What?
Yeah, isn't that weird?
I say we just do it again, and then I'll email the teacher and just be like,
Yeah, and just say, we're doing it in the right way that we know of.
Yeah.
We got the answer for everything else.
Yeah. Okay. So what was the median again?
68,552.
550. Wait, 68,000 for the median?
It's the median says it is 68,552.
Oh, 52. Okay. Okay.
The standard deviation is going to be 71,404 because it's 71,403.82.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Wait, what's this?
If you want, I can share my screen again so that way you can see the numbers too.
Yeah, that would help a lot.
Yeah, here I'll share.
Okay.
I have a dog behind my head, so give me a second. There we go.
Not again.
I know. I have to like push a button and then it gets out of it. Okay, there we go.
Okay.
So yeah, now you can see the actual numbers. I'll make them.
Okay. So we're looking at
the standard deviation right there.
Okay. Standard deviation. 71404, and then I'm just gonna double check with the median. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. See, it makes sense. It's just weird because it's saying it's wrong.
But I feel like. Okay. Yeah. The second number in the 5-number summary, because the first number of the 5-number summary on question 11 that we got right was 3,900.
3,900?
Because that was the very first. No, wait. Or was it 0? No, it's 0 because that's the lowest.
Wasn't 10? No. What is the standard deviation of the survival times?
Oh, sorry.
Do you want me to do it again?
No, I have it. I have all of the other ones because question 6 is 7. Question 7 should be 4. And then question 8 is 12. Wait, what number are we? I'm so confused. Okay, oh no, the standard deviation of survival times is 8.2, right?
Standard deviations of survival times?
Yeah.
I can write all these values back in there. So
5, okay.
1, and 3. Yeah, it's so easy. Those ones are really easy to write back in there.
Okay.
Because it's like 4 of them.
Yeah.
5, 19, 1, and 3. Yeah, that one's super easy. So it says the standard deviation is, 8.16.
Oh, which was 8.2 rounded. Okay, and then the first number of the 5-number summary would be 0 because that's the lowest number, and then it's 3,900. And then the next number is the 4th.
To do wrong patient lawsuit. So let me pull that up really quick.
Okay.
I'm sure it's like an easier way to copy all of these. I just don't know how to do it. So
yeah. Copy. Wait, did we ever get the estimated numbers right? I can't remember.
The estimated numbers?
Yeah.
I don't remember. I think that those ones, most of them were right except for the 700. That one was wrong, so I think that one just needs to be 800. Okay, there are those numbers. So
the 4th number in the 5-number summary would be quartile 3, which is 5146.
So the second number for number 12, isn't that one 18,882? Because that's the median.
No, that's the median, so that's not. Because when you're writing the box, there's a line in the middle of the box, and the line in the middle of the box is the median, and the top is
13 is 18,882. Or 18,882, yeah.
No. Wait, no, because in the box plot, when you have the box plot, there's 5 values. And so the minimum would be 0, and the maximum would be obviously the highest number. And so the ones in between, it's asking you counting upwards, what is the 4th one? So if you were to do it would be the lower one, quartile 1, right? Yeah, quartile 1, and then it would be the median, and then it would be quartile 3, which is the 4th.
Okay, so that's going to be 3,900.
No, it's going to be 5146 because
okay.
Because see how it's listed? That's basically the box plot. It's just flipped.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. 46.
Okay, so what is the 3rd quartile? Then it's 1, 2, 3. 195. Is that what we said?
Yeah.
And we got that one right.
Okay.
So then I guess 800 is going to be 15.
Okay.
Because I guess it's just to how long it goes up to. And I guess we'll submit it again and we'll see what we got.
Okay, let's do this again.
Oh, I got the first 2 right. Oh, I got it right now. The wrong patient.
Oh, good.
Mistyped a digit. Oh, I got 1 wrong. It was the 800, so I guess I don't understand. Is it? I don't know.
It's okay. I'm okay with this A.
Yeah, I'm okay with it too. Maybe it's because it's the boxes.
Oh, yeah. I think that we got those numbers right, actually. It's okay.
That's super weird, but at least now we know how to do it.
Yeah. Okay, so then with the homework quiz, I don't know if you want to do that one on here or if you want to.
We can or we cannot. It's up to you.
I would prefer it just to get it out of the way. Okay, cool.
I realized we could have done it together last week. I just completely forgot.
Yeah, it's okay. I can't, like, is the homework quiz over the homework? I feel like this is a dumb question. Oh, no, it is over the homework. Okay. So then the graph below illustrates typical student hourly wages for BYUI. The teacher recorded the mean median of hourly wage for each student. He forgot to label them. Okay. So.
Oh gosh, I'm clicking on random things. Go away, pages.
So we're trying to figure out what the mean and the median are.
Right.
So mean makes the most sense to be the 9.38 because if you look at the graph, there's more there's a higher volume around the 10 than there is anything else. Does that make sense?
Let's see. Okay. Around 980 or 938.
Yeah, I think the 938 is the
mean, and then the median is 11.
I think so. Wait, mean means you add them all up,
isn't it? Oh no, mean means you add them all up, and then it's
yeah
the average of all of them. I feel like that would make sense. And then the mean is 11.25 an hour. The median is 9.38. Yeah, because the middle is the median, I think.
Yeah, and
the
so
median
there are more values.
You lay them all out, and then you average, and then the middle one.
Yeah, so that would make sense because there's more in that area for that to be.
Yeah, no, that makes sense.
Okay. The number of hours students spent studying on an exam. What is this 75th percentile of recorded study?
8.
So
because it's 20, 50, 75.
Yeah, it's 8.
Yeah.
It is 8.
Approximately what percentage of data lies between 4 and 8 hours? 50%.
Or would it be all of?
Well, I guess it'd be all of the data because none of it lies outside of it.
Yeah. Wait, hold on. So it's either 25, 50, or 75, right?
Yeah, I would personally say 50 just because, well, but there's also no data outside. That's what we learned last time. So isn't there one that says about 75?
Yeah, about 75.
Yeah, because boxes are, I don't know, they look lopsided to me, but it could just be my eyes.
Okay, yeah, let's do about 75.
But does the 12 and the 2 count? Because it starts on 2, so does that count as a plot? And the 12, does that count as a plot?
Um,
It doesn't start on 0.
no, okay.
I think that those count. Because it doesn't start on 0 and it doesn't end where the last value is. It doesn't end on 16, it ends on 12. How can
Hold on. Are we on the same? We're still on number 3?
Yeah.
Okay. I was like, is this the same question? I can't remember. Okay, so it wants to know how much is between 4 and 8 hours. So the hours are on the bottom. So the 4 and the 8 are the box of the box plot. They're not the whiskers.
Okay, that makes sense. So it's going to be about 75.
Yeah, because it's
And worst
basically
case scenario, we have another try.
yeah.
Okay, so I can do the standard deviation.
Okay.
So I can just put in the values, I think. Maybe. I can delete all these guys. And then just put in 2, 4, 6, 8. There's nothing on 10, so do I put in 10? No.
Wait. We're at
Number 3, it still counts for number 3, I think. Number
so
4.
2, 4, 6, 8, and 12 would be your values.
Okay, that's what I put in there. And
Yeah.
it says the standard deviation is 3.84. So 4.
Yeah. I hope that's right.
And that
Okay.
seems right. You round up, yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, rounding. Wait, but it's 4.
Yeah, but you shouldn't round on the standard deviation, should you? This is hard. I don't know.
Okay.
I'm just gonna go with it, and then if it's wrong, I'll come back.
Okay.
Cat, your score is in the 32nd percentile.
It's the last one. You scored as higher or higher.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which one of the following histograms was made from data that is definitely skewed right? So when it's right skewed, that means yeah.
Is it? Yeah, it's C, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's why this always gets me, because I'm like, oh, it's right skewed. It's towards the right.
Yeah, but it's not. Which of the following numbers has the largest standard deviation? No calculations are required. Okay, so it's obviously not the middle one. Standard deviation is the distance between the points.
So wouldn't it be 1, 2, 9, and 10? Because the rest are fairly close together.
I think that makes sense.
Yeah. And otherwise, the standard deviation is mostly going to be 0 or 1.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and 1 jumps from 9 and 10 pretty high.
Okay. Okay. Actually, 21. Okay, so because they put
when the error is corrected, what will happen to the sample mean? I don't know. Let me input these values and see.
So the age.
So if 12 changes to 21,
it'll increases. Yeah, the mean will increase.
What will happen to the sample median? Well, the median with him being 21 is 20. If you change it back to 12,
it won't change because it
goes down. Oh, it goes up. It goes up. So when he's 12, the median is 18. When he's 21, the median is 20.
So it will increase.
It'll increase.
Okay. Okay. Test scores weren't recorded for students in the statistics. Standard deviation of 3.8. I think it's the third one.
The higher standard deviation of the second test indicated higher average scores on the second test than on the first. That sounds right.
Yeah.
It's that one or the first one. Well, no, because if the average test grade rose by 1 point,
Yeah.
Averaged. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see how we did.
Hopefully good.
I know. Otherwise, I don't know what the answers are.
I know.
Oh no, the first one was wrong. What's the first one? Oh no, the third one was wrong, and the fourth one.
There are so many wrong.
Oh no, I got a 50%.
I got a 60%.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. What 50?
I have no idea. Okay, I'm gonna rewrite these answers, the ones we got right.
Okay.
Okay, so this is so frustrating.
So I guess the hard part is, I think the first one is it cannot be determined. So just like that one on the group quiz, I think it's hard because you can't determine exact plot, like exact points. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I think it cannot be determined. That's what I think it is.
Oh, same with the percentage.
With the percentage?
Yeah, because the percentage one was wrong. Number 3.
I think it cannot be determined either because you can't, I mean, though you can do exacts, I think maybe it's 50.
Because if it's talking about...
That's tough.
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense.
I know, right?
We should try 50, maybe.
Yeah, I'll do 50 and you do this cannot be determined and see who gets it right.
Okay.
The standard deviation recorded in the box plot, that one says, I think 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12 is what we put in, and it definitely gave us 3 point something. So maybe it's this cannot be determined.
Yeah. You know what else I was thinking? What if the last value, because there was like a weird circle, and I remember something weird on the notes talking about like if you're doing a box plot and the end one of the values has like a circle, you also include that value. I'm not sure. We could test that one out.
It looks like an open circle and it says like 6 maybe.
Yeah, so maybe we could try that.
Yeah.
Instagram
one was right. The other one was right. The mean will increase was right. But what's weird is I have the thing open for the median and it increases.
Yeah, the thing is, I wonder if it doesn't change because in the notes it says that the median is resistant to outliers, which means that the median would stay generally the same.
Yeah, so maybe we'll try the median will stay the same.
Okay.
It's not possible to determine without the full data set. No, it's possible.
Okay, and then 10 is probably the first one.
The average test grade rose by 1 point. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, okay, let's take it.
Okay, that's
so upsetting.
I know. Just like, what the heck? Okay. Lesson 3 homework quiz. So grateful we get to take them at least more than one time.
I know. That was really nice of our math professors. Thank you.
Because we're definitely not going to get it right the first time. That's for sure.
I know, right? It's all about like trial and error, though. So
yeah. Okay.
So I think this one cannot be determined.
Okay. So yeah. Hold on.
The next one I think is 8.
Number 2. Yeah, it's 8.
I'm gonna try 50 for number 3, and then I think you're gonna try this cannot be determined, right?
Okay, yeah.
And then for the standard deviation, gosh, that's hard. But there's something specific on standard deviation and box plots. Box plots. Unlike the mean or standard deviation, a box plot is resistant to outliers. This means that it won't be pulled away one or the other way by extraordinarily or small values in the data. So I wonder if you can't have a standard deviation in a box plot. I don't know if that's right, but I wonder if you can't.
Because it says that it's not changed by outliers, but that's not necessarily.
Yeah. It says the standard deviation is a number that describes how spread out the data is. A larger standard deviation means the data is more spread out than the data with a smaller standard deviation.
Wait.
And I'm looking at like a description of a box plot, and it says the median is obviously like that.
The black line?
Yeah, that black line. And then the minimum is the like thingies on the sides. But there's nothing that says anything standard deviation. So I don't think you can calculate on one.
Yeah.
I could be wrong, but I don't think you can because it doesn't say anything about it.
It doesn't. But the thing that I'm curious about is, remember how in one of the later questions it talks about like determine the standard deviation in which is greater? You know, the question later on. And so you could obviously see, because the standard deviation is the distance between numbers. And
what
so
if it's 10? Because what if it's the distance between 2 and 12?
But I don't.
Because it says that the standard deviation is the number that describes how spread out the data is.
Yeah, but I feel like when it's talking about spread out, it's talking about spread out between points. So like 2 to 4 is 2, and then 4 to 8, 4 to 6 is also 2.
Yeah, that's a tough one.
Yeah.
What if I Google it? Standard deviation. Box plot with mean and standard deviation. When you create a box plot, teach me how to do it. Nothing says anything about standard deviation in a box plot. I feel like this is a trick question.
Then let's just put that it cannot be determined.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Okay, and then this one we got, which is you scored as high or higher. And then 6 is C. And then 7 is the last one. And so then on 8, it's the first one. And then on 9,
I think it's the median will stay the same. I think it's what you were saying.
Yeah, I think so too. And then 10 is probably A.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's submit it again.
Yeah.
It's
better.
I sure hope so.
You have one unanswered question. I have an unanswered question. What? Number 4.
Okay. I only got one right.
You only got one right?
I only got like 10% more than last time. So yeah, I only got one more right.
I got 70, yeah. It looks like the last one we still got wrong. The average test grade rose by 1 point. The median will not stay the same. Oh goodness.
Oh my gosh.
Forget my phone is hooked up with my my computer.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, that's confusing. I'm gonna screenshot this and probably just try to find the answers for it.
Yeah. Well, I guess now we know that number 1 is going to be the mean is $11.25 an hour and the median is $9.38.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can actually determine that one.
Yeah.
What is the 75th percentile? Okay.
Oh wait, what did you get on question 3?
Question 3, it was 50%.
Okay.
Yeah, and then it said, what is the standard deviation? You can't determine it from the box plot. So I think that that's good to know, at least. So we know we can't determine a standard deviation from box plot.
I'm writing this down.
That you can't determine standard deviation from box plot. So I guess realistically, we only got 3 wrong.
Yeah.
So it's not bad.
No.
Yeah.
Not too terrible.
Yeah, especially considering how hard we worked. I think that's good.
Yeah, and for how long we worked on all of this.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Sounds-
sounds good to me.
Okay.
So I'll go ahead and I will end the broadcast. And did you say you wanted to start it next week?
If you want me to.
Oh, okay, there it is. I was like, I don't even know where it is. Okay, yeah, if you want to. Do you know how to start the Google Hangouts?
So you just go and then I would just type in your email and then we'd do a video chat. And then after that, we would do this. And then once we're done, I don't know.
Kind of.
Okay.
I can send you like the steps to do it. It's super, super easy.
Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. You have a good night.
Okay, you too. Bye.
Bye.